Welcome to video 12.3e, total surface area of a half cylinder, or I've called it a chunk of cheese. I find if you can relate these objects to things in your life, you can form a connection and maybe have a better idea of what's going on. So example 4, find the total surface area of the solid. So it's not easy to see, visualization is half the problem. It's really a cylinder, not with a lot of height, cut in half. So imagine this being a cylinder and just chopping right across to get a half cylinder. All right, so what I'm going to do now again is for these problems I strongly suggest you break down each surface, write the formula for each surface, plug in the numbers, and then do your work. Otherwise, it just gets to be out of hand. All right, so let's see what we've got. I'm going to say I definitely have, and as far as the cylinder, this would be a base, and this would be a base, and this would be the lateral. It's important to understand that. So this will be 1/2 of a base, and then the other side I'll have 1/2 of a base. That'll be my rectangle, and then I'm going to have half of a lateral. So this stuff here will be 1/2 of the lateral. Okay, so again, a half circle, a rectangle, and then this stuff like this is half of the lateral. All right, so let me write that down. So I'll say I've got a half of a circle plus a half of a circle plus half of the lateral, so that's the cylinder, plus just a rectangle. So again, identifying those, and then let's write down the formula for each. So this will be 1/2 pi r squared plus 1/2 pi r squared plus 1/2. The lateral of a whole cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. And then a rectangle, I'll just go length times, well, I'll go base times height. Okay. So a half pi r squared plus a half pi r squared is just pi r squared. I'll simplify that. A half times 2 pi r h is just going to be pi r h plus the base and the height of the rectangle. All right, now I'm going to put in the numbers. So the radius of the circle is 5. Pi times 5 squared plus pi times 5. The height of the cylinder is 2. The distance between the two parallel congruent bases. And now I'm talking about the rectangle space and height. So the hole going across would be 10. So 2 by 10. And now I just got to add these all up. So this is going to be 25 pi plus 10 pi plus 20. And then I'll just, again, add my like terms. 35 pi plus 20. So there you have it. How to find the total surface area of a half cylinder or a chunk of cheese.